Travel on the Christmas layout this morning seems to have come to a standstill due to a large avalanche of presents from Santa Claus, blocking the line and covering the area where town was going to be. It appears that the girlfriend's new favorite spot under the tree was survived and not covered, so she is a semi-happy cat. One thing in here that will shake up in video is the Abby and Emma snow globe. Pretty cool stuff Santa and others brought. The snow cats are here and they're ready to go in case we get a break in the weather and the present avalanche. Merry Christmas, everybody, 2016.